Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. So today we saw a good gap up opening for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the market was very much in favor of the bulls today. There was very less selling seen, except for the initial first or second candle. I think there was not much of selling that was seen, considerable selling, and the bulls looked in total control. The Nifty also managed to close about 22,000 level, which is also a psychological level. And in my one of my previous videos, I've been saying that after Nifty crosses the 21,834 level, which was the all-time high that time, the next levels were 21,933 and 22,000 in the next coming trading sessions. And we are also interested in looking at the close for a weekly close of 22,000, above 22,000, which will confirm that the bull trend is still intact. For Bank Nifty, I think Bank Nifty, as I've been saying in my previous videos, it is weaker as compared to Nifty. But Nifty is looking very strong, and it is better to trade Nifty at the moment rather than trading in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also opened with a gap up today, and it opened above the channel that we were looking. So we'll look at that when we see the daily channel, the daily chart for Bank Nifty. But before we start, a small disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are are based on my personal experience and are in no way buy or sell recommendation. Any trading or investing decision has to be taken after consultation with your financial advisor. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty chart, uh, Nifty chart for daily time frame. And as we can see here, the Nifty opened with a gap up, and then the bulls were totally in control. It tested the new all-time highs, and the current all-time high is around 22,115. So tomorrow's level for us would be 22,122. Once the 22,122 level gets crossed, I think we are good to see another up move till 22,255 levels, which is the top of this channel. And from there, we may see some resistance or some consolidation. And depending on that, I think if anyone is initiating a trade as soon as 21,122 crosses, they should have a strict stop loss, first of all, because past few trading sessions have been a total bull run. So it's better to have a fixed SL, and at the same time, once the levels 21 255 are 21 to 33 to 255 are tested, it is better to book partial profit or to even exit positions, because that may see some consolidation which will uh, benefit the sellers and not the buyers with time decay. So let me quickly take you through the 15 minutes chart, 15 minutes time frame for Nifty, and this is how the market opened today with a huge gap up. And after the initial sell of the fourth candle that was formed, that again reinforced that the bulls are very much in the game. And after that, there was no king back. I initiated trade in Nifty today, but I initiated it at a very later stage. So I initiated it when this here, I think at around 150, yeah, at around 150. So after the initial gap up, there was, it was expected that when Nifty is trading at a all-time high, there is likelihood of profit booking. So this downfall was expected, and when after this candle, when the bulls were in control, I was expecting a retracement. However, that did not happen. I was expecting it to retest this level, 21,960. However, that did not happen. So I initiated a trade here, and I held on to it, but I did not uh, make much of a profit. I ended closed with a profit, but I didn't make much profit because the movement was slow here. So as I always say, option buyers require quick momentum, whereas it is in benefit of option sellers if the market moves slowly. They benefit from the time decay. So overall closed with a profit, but it will be interesting to see if market opens flat or with a slightly gap up, and then retest level 21 122 and then goes up. I think that's the point where we can initiate a CE side trade. On the downside, I think I will refrain from taking a trade on Nifty, because as you can see here, this particular trend line which I have drawn, the above one, that is tested once here, and then this is the second time, tested second time. Now, if it gets tested third time tomorrow, and even if it breaks, there is another trend line just underneath it. Let me just zoom in. Yeah. So, so there is another trend line underneath it, which will again lend support. And after that, there is this 22,022 level, which is again a support. And after that, I think 21,963 will again act as support. So 21 to 222 to 20, I mean, 20, unless the Nifty is trading about 22,000, I think I will not be interested towards a sell side trade. Once it breaks 22,000 and sustains below it, then probably a quick trade till 21,966 is what I can look for. And later on, depending on the consolidation and the price action there, it can be decided whether to go ahead with a further downside trade or a upside trade. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opened gap up, as I had said, opened gap up above the level which we were above the channel which we were tracing. So this was the channel which we were seeing for the past few days, and the Bank Nifty was showing movement within this channel. Today it opened gap up, came down, and then again tested the top of tested the bottom of the uh, bigger purple channel, which it had broken a few days back. So this is the first retest for the bottom of the channel. So I don't expect this to go above it. I expect some retracement here. However, it completely depends on how the market opens. If the market opens gap up and sustains above, then in that case this lower bottom, or the bottom of the channel, will be acting as a support, and the market may the Bank Nifty may bounce from this level. As long as it is under 48,377 level, which I have been saying in my previous videos, I will refrain from taking a buy side trade for Bank Nifty. Currently, the movement has been range bound. Uh, what it offers right now from the price action is, it may show some downside again. So this is the up move, then the down move, then again a up move, then a down move, then again a up move. As long as this previous high is not broken, previous swing high is not broken, I think the buyers will not jump in. And in that case, it may again show a downside movement from here. So it will be interesting to see tomorrow whether Bank Nifty opens and closes inside the channel, or whether it uh, takes resistance from the bottom of the previous channel and then falls back. So for Bank Nifty, I'll be a little more skeptical to take a trade. And just like today, where I didn't trade in Bank Nifty, tomorrow also it seems less likely that I'll trade Bank Nifty. Nifty is stronger, so I'll prefer Nifty for trading. Let's look at 15 minutes chart to see how we can trade Bank Nifty if at all we have to. Right, so these are the levels we are seeing. So these are the levels we are seeing. So Bank Nifty opened with a gap up, and then there was a very big bullish candle, followed by a equally big bearish candle. And now this particular thing suggests that there is a lack of conviction between the buyers and the sellers, right? So uh, you you cannot have uh, a bullish candle followed by exact similar sized bearish candle, and then expect a bullish momentum to continue, right? So over here it was, even if this candle showed bullishness, even if this candle was bullish, even this one was bullish, still there was doubt in the definitely in the minds of buyers whether to go ahead with a buy side trade or not. And definitely that's the reason why I did not go ahead with a buy side trade, or even a downside trade in case of Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is less certain right now. It is more of a range bound and more of unpredictable types. So uh, staying away from Bank Nifty is the best we can do right now. However, as you can see here, it has tested the uh, bottom of the bigger channel, the purple channel, and it has taken some uh, resistance from there. So tomorrow, if the market opens flat and then after consolidation here, if it breaks in breaks into the purple channel and then continues above it, then I think we are in for a bull run for Bank Nifty as well, which is when I will be interested to take CE side trade in Bank Nifty. So tomorrow's close will be interesting. For downside trade, as you have seen, as you can see here, I've drawn this trend line. Uh, if the Bank Nifty consolidates and breaks this trend line, then there is a chance of a down move till 48,000 levels. And if that 48,000 level, we can see some consolidation over there. And after that, if it breaks further, we can see the levels 47,800 as well. So that's for Bank Nifty. However, I will not be interested to trade Bank Nifty tomorrow, but these are the levels to watch out for. Let's take a look at uh, Dow Jones as well. The only reason being we have been taking a look at Dow Jones, and let's continue doing that because Dow Jones has been showing range bound movement since this past week or so, and I think so the movement is still range bound. It is not going anywhere. So even Dow Jones will be showing some upside after it crosses the 38,022 levels. I mean this level 38,022, and will show some downside or some correction after below the levels 37,433. So till then, I think it will be a range bound movement, and depending on Dow Jones, I think Nifty will also show some ripple effect. So that's it from my side. Do let me know in comments whether you like the content or not, and whether this analysis is helping you or not, whether you are able to trade, whether you are making profits, whether you are booking losses, and what is the strategy that you are using. Uh, Also like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done. And just before we wrap up, as in all videos, a small disclaimer again. Uh, Making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. So uh, uh, trade with only the amount that you can afford to lose. Uh, After uh, continuous improvements and over a long period of time, I think we can definitely make some good profits with stock market. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching.